Today we are taking this flex bus from Zadar bus station across the mountainous country of Croatia to visit Plitvice National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Region. Journey takes less than 2 hours and costs around €15. There are 2 entrances to the national park and we are at entrance 2. We need to take a short walk to the main office where we can buy the tickets for €23 and start our journey on these interconnected buses. Depending on which entrance you choose, there are different paths you can take to explore the park. We have chosen path H, which starts at ST2 marker, has a trail length of 9 kilometers and takes around 4 to 6 hours to complete. Starting with a bus trip from ST2 to ST3 marker, we can get few glimpses of the lakes below us. The Plitvice National Park is world famous for its 16 lakes arranged in cascades spread over 30,000 hectares of land. The lake system is a result of millennia of ongoing geological and biochemical processes, creating natural dams known as tufa barriers. These are formed by the deposition of calcium carbonate from the waters flowing through the property, while interacting with living organisms, most importantly mosses, algae, and aquatic bacteria. From ST3 marker, we continue on foot along the upper lakes towards marker P2 to then take a boat ride across Lake Kozjak. This walk is literally a walk in the park, mostly flat and well marked. We just need to follow the directional markers for the track we are following, in our case H, and walk on these well-maintained wooden pathways. I took a short detour to get to a viewpoint from where I could see 3 of the lakes and the first glimpse of a waterfall. There is not much to add in terms of commentary, so I will let you all enjoy this natural wonder and try to fade the music so that you can also enjoy the sounds of the park as well. you like waterfalls? Then this is your paradise. I lost count of the unending number of small and big waterfalls magically appearing all around me. I have no idea who that is, but should be someone important. At marker P2, we take a short boat ride to a resting point at marker P3, where we can have some lunch before continuing our walk towards the big waterfall. Sadly, the path to the big waterfall was under renovation, but we could still watch its glory from the distance. Once we reach marker ST1, we can get on the bus to reach back to where we started our journey. Now we have come to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. If you are planning a visit, do try to come in autumn. Adios.